making my lemon and ginger cheesecake. It's a fast and fabulous dessert for Easter. It's got a gorgeous ginger crunchy base to it, and then a lovely lemony, fluffy, light, creamy topping. So the first thing you're going to do is get our digestive biscuits and ginger nut biscuits, blend them all until they're fine, and then we're going to slowly add in melted butter. My biscuits are all browned up and I've added in my butter. The smell of buttery biscuit is so delicious. And yeah, I've got my spring tin and I've lined it with parchment paper on the bottom of it so it doesn't stick. And then what I'm going to do is pour all this in. Okay, that's the last of it. And then using the back of a spoon, and pop that into the fridge to set while we make the lovely lemony fluffy topping. Next, I'm going to whip up the double cream. The cream is whipped. Next, add in the caster sugar, followed by cream cheese, the zest of 3 lemons, and the juice of 1 lemon. So the lemon does a couple of things. It adds flavour, but also it helps the cheesecake to set. That is the creamy lemon topping done. So get your biscuit base out of the fridge and then just pour the topping in on top. Okay, and then give it a tap to get rid of any air pockets and into the fridge for an hour. So the cheesecake has set and it looks lovely, but we're going to make it look even more lovely. I've got lemon slices, lemon zest, and crystallised ginger that's finely chopped. Putting all the crystallised ginger on a rim around the cake so that everybody gets a little taste of that. And then I've sliced lemons into little quarts and I'm overlapping them to go all the way around. And the last little one, and then a zest of lemon, and that's it. So simple, but so delicious.